Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're bringing some holiday magic to life by drawing this adorable Christmas house, complete with a friendly snowman and a festive tree. Grab your pencils, and let's make something Christmassy together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more festive tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's start with the outline of the house. Begin by drawing a rectangle with rounded edges for the main house body. Now, let's add a triangular, layered roof. Add some fun wavy lines across the roof for the snowy details. Draw the tree on the other side with a few triangular layers for the branches. Add a tiny pot at the base for support. Don't worry if it's not perfect, it's all about having fun. Next, draw a circular door right in the center with a little heart at the top. Cute, right? Now add two small round windows on either side of the door. Finally, let's sketch the snowman next to the house. Draw two circles, one small for the head and one large for the body. Don't forget his Santa hat and scarf. Alright, let's bring this Christmas scene to life with some vibrant colors. Starting with the house, I'll use a rich, festive red for the walls. This color gives the house a warm and cheerful holiday vibe. While we're coloring the roof, let's make it a soft gray with white highlights for the snowy layers, perfect for a cozy winter feel. Now, let's talk about the elf who lives here, Holly. She's not just any elf, she's the official baker for Santa's workshop. Every year, Holly decorates her house with gingerbread-inspired details and twinkling lights to welcome her friends. The heart-shaped decoration on the door? That's Holly's way of saying her home is always open to those spreading Christmas cheer. Moving on to the door, let's use a bright, joyful green, and for the windows, we'll add a soft yellow glow, showing the warmth inside. Imagine Holly baking cookies right now, with the smell of cinnamon and chocolate wafting through the air. For the snowman, I'm using a clean white for the body and adding a pop of red for his scarf and Santa hat. Did you know Frosty the Snowman here is Holly's favorite assistant? He's in charge of keeping the house cool enough for all her ice cream cakes, her specialty. Now, the tree next to the house will be a deep green with little red ornaments to match the house. Let's sprinkle some snow on the branches for a magical touch. Holly decorates this tree every year with ornaments that she makes herself, each one has a tiny story inside that lights up when hung. Finally, let's add some sparkles and snowflakes around the house to complete the magical atmosphere. What colors are you using? Are you adding any special decorations to your version? I'd love to see your creative ideas, be sure to share them in the comments. And that's it, the colors are all done, and our Christmas house is glowing with holiday magic. Wow, look at this masterpiece. Our Christmas house, snowman, and tree are now glowing with all the festive colors and magical details we added together. I hope you enjoyed creating this cozy, Christmassy scene as much as I did. If you followed along, I'd love to see your version. Feel free to share your artwork. Your creativity always inspires me. And if this video brought some holiday cheer to your day, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps spread the Christmas magic. Also, subscribe to my channel for more festive tutorials and fun drawing stories. Click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. You won't want to miss the upcoming holiday surprises I have in store. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Until next time, keep spreading joy with your art and stay creative. Have a magical holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.